Um, I just want to thank Captain Saleh here as the head of the board. But first, above the board, I must thank Captain Bibo. They have entrusted me with opportunity to lead and carry the team of the century, and I know how big is this job. I come here with a practical experience of having played against Ali 4 times, 2 times in Cairo, 2 times in South Africa.
انا يعني جاي هنا بخبرات ان انا لعبت مع النادي الاهلي مرتين مع النادي الاهلي مرتين مع منتخب جنوب افريقيا ضد منتخب مصر.
And I had a practical experience of Ali as a big club, I mean the club of the century in the continent, and I've seen how big they are outside South Africa, outside Cairo and inside Egypt.
وانا عارف النادي الاهلي نادي كبير، خبرات النادي الاهلي نادي كبير وشفته بيلعب ازاي جوه مصر وخارج مصر وهو بيلعب معانا في جنوب افريقيا.
Of course, I can see familiar faces here that I've interacted with before amongst the journalists.
قابلت طبعا، انا شايف هنا قدامي وجوه انا يعني معتاد اني اشوفها، شفتها قبل كده من الزملاء الصحفيين الموجودين قاعدين.
And you have treated me very well with respect, and I gave you the same respect back. Of course, it was not easy for me to come to Ali and leave Mamelodi Sundowns that I have so much respect for my team, and I've spent 8 years with Mamelodi Sundowns, and it's not easy just to move away from a team that you spent 8 years with. I think that shows how big Ali is, and Ali is respected in the continent and is respected in South Africa. I was just reading the message which was which came out in the media from the government, from the president of my country, wishing me luck to come here. And I also have, I think you have read the correspondence of the president of Mamelodi Sundowns also wishing me luck to come here. And the Mamelodi Sundowns supporters, they came to the airport to wish me luck, and they sent for me to come here. Normally, you should find the supporters angry that you are leaving them, especially after the success we had this year, because this season that just finished was one of the biggest seasons because we won the 3 trophies in South Africa. So whilst we are celebrating, I was leaving, which is not a very good thing. But there's a positive side. I'm coming to Ali. It's a big club. I'm humbled to be here. I was listening to how Captain Saleh was speaking about my CV and why they chose me to be the coach of Ali amongst all the other big names from all the parts of the world. That is why I'm not taking it for granted where I am. I know where I am. And I know the responsibilities of my work here. I know the pressures and the stresses because it's not the first time I'm in Egypt. I've seen the pressures of playing CAF Champions League with Zamalek, and I've seen the pressures with Ali also, and I've seen the pressures. I see Captain Said there on the other side. There, I remember him as from the national team of Egypt, and interacting with him when I was the coach of Bafana Bafana. So I know the expectations, I know the pressures, but I'm a football coach. I'm trained to deal with the pressures, and you can't come to Ali. Even at Mamelodi Sundowns, there's pressure to win because Mamelodi Sundowns always wins like Ali. So if you won the league last year, it doesn't matter. We won it last year. We have to win it again this year. We won it the year before. We have to win it again. So we have won 10 titles now of the league, but there's still pressure. So pressure is everywhere in big clubs. So I have my back supported by the board, which is led by Captain Bibo, a legend in football also. I have the support of the management inside the team, and I have my brother here who has been doing everything and making sure that everything is right for me to come. Amir is like a friend to me now.
امير دلوقتي بعتبره صديق ليا.
And I have the coaches. I have Coach Sami here. I've got assistant coach here. So, and as I said, I have Saeed also. So one day I can also name the people around me without even reading things. It means there's a very good, strong and bond connection. And I received such a warm welcome from the players, but the players know me, and I know that because we always speak with the players for the last 2 years. We talk in the corridors, we talk on the flight, we talk at the airport, so we know each other. So it's one family. I'm not new in the Ali home, but I am new in the buildings. I am new to meet you as the media with Ali, but I'm not new in Cairo. I've got Captain Shata here, who was my educator in CAF.
كابتن سطة هو المعلم بتاعي في الكاف.
I've got Captain Shahata, who is, I call him my friend, but I can also say my dad, who I communicate with. I'm with him in the courses in Morocco, and he's a legend. I remember him winning all the trophies for the Egyptian national team. He's a big legend. And I had you. I've never had any different opinion about you. You've supported me ever since I come to Egypt. So I'm complete now. So I'm happy. And the only people that they need to be made happy are the most important people, the public of Ali, the supporters. And those ones, the only way you can make them happy is to win the games, nothing else. And I forgot to name the board member who was, yes, Mr. Zakaria. Yes, thank
وكابتن
you.
زكريا نصر عضو لجنة كرة القدم. مرحب بيه.
Also made sure that I feel good yesterday when I met the president, and thank you very much. Shukran. So I've got everybody on board. So we should start the business. Of course, it's not very easy to move from the team that we have had so much success. We've won 11 trophies in 7 years. We have won 10 titles. The team has won 10 titles, the league titles. It's a big milestone. We have won 5 cups. It's a big milestone. We have won the Champions League, CAF Champions League. It's a big one. We have won the CAF Super Cup. It's a big one. And we went to the Club World Cup in Japan to represent CAF. So to answer you in short answer, yes, it was not easy to leave the team, but it's the right thing that I don't regret doing it, and I'm happy to be here. Bibo and the board